everyone, this is Joan Pratt with Remax Professionals, and we are here to tour another awesome listing of ours. This one is in Bell Mountain Ranch, which is located in South Castle Rock. The address is 4374 Bell Mountain Drive. This home is a two-story. There are no bedrooms on the main floor, but there is a main floor study. It has some mountain views and just a really beautiful secluded private lot. So the walking trail is just literally right across the street from where we are. And the Bell Mountain neighborhood boasts 27 miles of hiking, biking, and equestrian trails, in addition to other really awesome amenities. So come on, let's take a look. Take a look at this awesome kitchen. So we have double convection ovens, all stainless steel appliances, slab granite, and a really nice GE profile 5-burner cooktop here. It has a griddle function over on this side. Take a look inside these ovens. Built-in microwave, and there's also a built-in intercom system, and this one actually works. The one that was here when my owners purchased it did not work, and so they went ahead and had a new one installed. Now it's real easy to push a button and say, "Time for dinner," and get everyone down here. So from your kitchen sink, you just have this really lovely view. There are screens on it right now, so when we zoom in, it'll be a little bit blocked, but you should be able to see across the valley. And if you look far to the right there, there's also some front range views. You might be able to see them better from the deck. This kitchen is connected to a really nice great room that is truly great. Not only do you get to store all of your family pictures, but it also has hidden storage spaces too. You can put your videos and games and photo albums and all the things that you like to use on a daily basis, but you don't necessarily want to have all over your house. These windows up top here have remote controls to open the sunshades on there. This house, the back of the house is facing west, so it does get a good amount of sunshine. We have a built-in doggy door. They have 2 large golden retrievers, so it will stay with the house, but it is real easy to remove if that isn't your thing. So we'll take a look outside on this deck, because this yard is lovely, but it is a little windy out here, so forgive it. Woo! The trampoline does stay, and the yard is fenced. Plenty of room down there to throw a ball. And now if you span over here, you can see that mountain view right there. Probably you can see it. The grass does wrap around to either side of the house. You can see down below here as well. If you scan down, those are the lids for the septic system. In Douglas County, the seller is responsible for having the septic system pumped, inspected, and brought up to the current code. The average family of 4 has to get their septic pumped about every 3 years, and it costs about $500 to $550 to have that service done. We have lots of vendors and contractors that can help with it and are glad to be your resource if that is what you're looking for. Here in Bell Mountain, we have community water, so there are no individual wells, which is actually a pretty neat function for all of us, that we don't have to test our water or anything like that. The Metro District, so that actually the water district, tests our water for us and send us the results. They tune that water to the EPA standards and again, let us know what that looks like. So hopefully this gives you some more information about this amazing house. Feel free to reach out to us with any additional questions. Well, what do you think? Could this be your next dream home? You could sit out here on this lazy porch and enjoy a frosty beverage. If this isn't your dream home, but you still can see the value and the beauty of this house and you think of someone that might enjoy it, would you mind sharing this video with them? And let us see if we can make another perfect homeowner connection. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.